So in today's video, we're going to be looking at how you can track your application status on the ImmiBuddy platform after submitting an application. If you go to the Explore programs and then you've selected a particular program of your choice, go ahead to view the details of that program, go through the program details and all the necessary requirements, go ahead to create an application, proceed with the session of choice and then click on the next button, upload all documents like your passport, your certificate, your transcript and your resume or your CV if it's available. Go ahead to click on the next button. Now after you have done that, you will receive a notification that your application is currently under review, and our admissions team are checking to make sure that there's no any particular challenge with anything you submitted. You'd also see it in the notification bar. Now just for a form of confirmation, you would receive an email of your application being submitted. That's the first email. The second email would be sent to you regarding your application review in progress. Under admissions on your dashboard, if you come to applications, if everything goes well and there was no any issue with any document you submitted, you would see that your application has been submitted to the university successfully. The only thing you need to wait for now is the decision from the institution, whether your application would be granted and approved or it will be rejected.